Drowning in this liquor bottle, but drowning's not enough. They tell me that I won't live to see tomorrow, but I don't give a fuck.
You saw that new intro. Let me know if you guys like it. And also, one more thing before the video starts. I don't know if you guys saw on Instagram, but we are partnered with Full Squid. It is a clothing brand, apparel brand. Make sure you guys check them out. I have them in my highlights. Use code SLO_zx14 for 10% off at checkout. On everybody, I hope y'all are having an amazing day, night, whatever it is, you know. So I'm basically just coming on here real quick. It's gonna be a short video, but I want to explain basically what's been going on with the bike and why I haven't been uploading consistently as I normally would be. Basically, the bike's been giving me a lot of problems. Let's just start there, right? It left me stranded about 2 times already in the past week. I changed some parts already on it and it's still giving me issues, so I'm starting to get to the point where I don't know what's wrong with it. The reason why I haven't been uploading, you know, I can't go on the highway comfortably because I don't know if it might randomly leave me stranded, it might randomly break, you know, something might randomly happen. So that's basically, you know, what I want to come and talk to you guys about. But yeah, that's really the reason why I've been kind of slacking on upload. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for, you know, still watching my my content, still, you know, showing love to the videos, to the YouTube, everything. But that's pretty much gonna be it for me talking. The rest is probably just gonna be me riding just the streets. I'm testing some stuff out on the bike right now. I'm seeing how it drives, how it runs, all that. But yeah, enough of me talking. Enjoy the, you know, the riding content.